Is Tenerife worth visiting in August? Let's find out. Now, this is Las Américas, and this is the Golden Mile. Now, I've done a few videos along that, so if you want to check that out, check out JetsetDan Golden Mile, Las Américas. But I'm going to show you down here. Now, that's where all the shops are, and it's great for the shopping. But we're talking about visiting Tenerife in August. Now, I was here in June, and I have to say it was very hot. I thought, oh, I'll never go back to Tenerife in June. Do you know what I mean? It was just way too hot. But silly me, we were looking for somewhere to go, and we were going to go for a couple of days, and you know, usual thing, it just snowballed, and we ended up going, well, why don't we just go back to Tenerife? So went back to Tenerife. Now, I knew it would be hot, but I didn't think it would be as hot as June. No, it's hotter than it was in June. So if given the choice, I would pick June, but that's me, I don't like the heat. If you like the heat, you like this, but we'll see. So, aye, it's worth doing. So I'm just going to take a wee walk down towards Las Américas beach. It's a Conquistador Hotel. I need to do that, it's on my bucket list. I think, I could be wrong, but see, if you look at the land at the very end there, I think that's Playa Parisio. Any viewers, if you know, let me know. Is that Playa Parisio? I think it is, I'm pretty confident it is, and that's where the Hard Rock Hotel is. I did film the Hard Rock Hotel. We stayed in the Rock Royalty Suite, and actually there was a few surprises there which I wasn't expecting. I had seen Walk With Me Tim stay there, and I saw his video, but he left out a few things, but I won't say what it is, but there was one thing I thought, wow, it was really good, and we got a great deal for it. Now, I haven't put it on my channel yet, but there is a reason for that. I haven't had a breakout yet, and the Hard Rock Hotel Tenerife is a potential breakout. It really could elevate my channel. But the risk is, if I put it on now and it doesn't do anything, I lose a really good browse video, you know. So I'm holding off, and once I finish this run of Tenerife videos, I'll put it on. So if you want to see that, subscribe. I have to say, it's my favourite hotel experience. In all the hotels I've stayed in, it's the one I would say is an absolute experience. It's something to see. Anyway, just look at this weather. There's not a single cloud in the sky. Oh wait, sorry. There's one, and it's tiny. It's a clear day. Aye, as far as I can see, there's only one. Oh wait, I see some in the distance, but that's away over there. That's not going to bother us. Not today. Look at that. Aye, so if you're a sun worshipper, you love the heat, aye, Tenerife in August, it's one to do. Now, I don't know about exact temperatures because I never really bore with that. It's either warm, hot, or absolutely roasting. So, this is absolutely roasting. But aye, I'm loving it. I'm loving life, loving travelling, and sharing my videos with you all. It's great, it's been a pleasure, and I hope you all enjoy. Look over here, there's the surfers. Las Américas beach is like a magnet for the surfers. The waves are quite good. Later on, maybe not today, but at some point this week, I'm going to go and sit on the bench and just sit and watch the surfers. It just looks really relaxing. And if you're planning on coming here in August, let me know. Well, I say August, it'll be August next year, you know, at this point, by the time I get this video up. So folks, if you've been to Tenerife, if you're a regular traveller to Tenerife, what's your favourite time of year to go? Now, I have to say, I've been in Tenerife 4 times, and the first time was in May, and it was warm, but it was manageable. In fact, no, it was actually really hot, but not as hot as this. The other time was in February, but it was briefly because we were on a cruise. After that, it was June there, and now August. So I can't really judge it in May, but I would say February. Even though it was only briefly, it wasn't as hot, so it was manageable for me. So just walking along here. There's the alley hop shop. Marietta Beach restaurant. Oh, it's very hot. Now, here's the thing, I'm not a sun worshipper, right, so don't go by what I say. If you like the sun, you like the heat, I'm sure August is good for you. But for me, I would be reluctant to come back here at this time of year, simply because it's just way too hot. But doing a YouTube channel, you know, I think I need to kind of start focusing on deals. When I first started this, I was just doing different places I wanted to go to. I wasn't really focused, I was just filming everything. But now I've got a better idea of what I'm doing, I'm more focused on what I've got to do. And really it's like British tourists, where they want to go, and it's mostly Spain and the Canaries. I started off with Switzerland, then New York, San Francisco, Vegas, but that was on my first channel and it didn't do anything. But this channel, I think it's starting to work. Well folks, hope you've enjoyed this video. I've really enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't let my opinions put you off, okay? Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.